Hello, my name is Sobet Kofi Siedu and I'm the co-founder of Bright Future. Bright Future was established to solve the issue of poor academic performances in Africa and the high rate of unemployment in Africa, especially in West Africa. And how do we do this? On the issue of poor academic performances, Bright Future coaches and guides students to adopt the best way of learning in order to avoid forgetfulness. As you know, most students don't know the best practice of how to learn, and as a result of this, they tend to forget during exams, resulting in their poor performances. Also, we upload quality educational materials on various subjects on our platform. We use this to assist the student to learn more on what they've been taught in school, and as a result of this, they will tend to get better understanding on what they learn at school. We also use quiz, empowerment, and entertainment programs to motivate and reward the students. This arouses their interest in learning. On the issue of high rate of unemployment, Bright Future engages the youth on how to be creative. Yes, we encourage the youth to establish or think out of the box and then create something for themselves. And in addition to this, we also train them on various skills like web designing, app making, and also how to start a home-based business like cosmetics and detergent, snail and machine rearing, farming, and all those. With this, most youth and unemployed will get their own work instead of waiting for the government and the private sector to recruit them. And this is what Bright Future is doing to solve these various problems. Thank you.